Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning the piano accompaniment of How Great Is Our God in the key of G major. Here's our middle C for reference. This tutorial is in the key of G major, which has only one sharp, F sharp. What's great about this song is that we only need to learn one chord progression that is used for the entire song. We'll cover this chord progression starting with our left hand. Our first chord is G major, where we play on our left hand G, D, and G. Then we play G, D, G, and D. The next chord is D over F sharp with F sharp, D, F sharp, and D. For E minor 7, we have E, B, and E. Then we play E, B, E, and B. Let's try those three chords again. G major, D over F sharp, E minor 7, for G over D, we have D, B, D, and B. Next is C major, where we play C, G, and C. For D major, we have D, A, D, and then we return to G major. Let's play the entire section for our left hand. G major, D over F sharp, E minor 7, G over D, C major, D major, and we return to G major. Now over to our right hand. For G major, we play D, G, and B together. For D over F sharp, we have D, F sharp, and A together. For E minor 7, we play D, G, and B together. For G over D, we'll play the same thing with D, G, and B. For C major, we'll play C, E, and G together. For D major, we'll play D, F sharp, and A together. And then back to G major. Now we're going to play both hands together slowly, and this is the rhythm I would use. G major, D over F sharp, E minor 7, G over D, C major, D major, and G major. Let's play the chord progression faster this time. G major, D over F sharp, E minor 7, G over D, C major, D major, and G major. This chord progression is played for the verse and chorus sections of the song. For those who are looking for a simpler way to play the left hand, we can play one note octaves instead. So on the left hand, we can play G octaves, F sharp octaves, E octaves, D octaves, C octaves, D octaves, and G octaves. This is how it would sound like with both hands together. If your hands can't stretch to play the octaves, you can also play single notes as well. I'm open to releasing additional tutorials on this song in different keys in the near future, so check my playlist for more tutorials. Here are some of my other worship song tutorials you can check out.